you an easy fireless recipe, that is biscuit pops. To make that recipe, we need only three ingredients and toothpick or ice cream sticks. So the ingredients are Hershey syrup, biscuits and nuts. So first we need to blend the biscuits into powder.
I'll be right back.
And hello, now I have blended the biscuits into powder. It has become like this. Now I'm going to add Hershey syrup. I'm going to mix it till it becomes like a dough.
I'm just
Still we need little more. You can add it till you get it hard, little hard. I think now it has become like a dough. Now I'm going to make balls. Now I have made one ball. Now I'm going to make some more balls. I have made few balls. You can make how many ever you want. Now I'm going to insert this ice cream stick toothpicks. You can use this toothpick also, but now I'm using a ice cream stick. I have inserted them. Now we can take sprinkles. We can take sprinkles also, but now I have taken some nuts. Now I'm going to roll this chocolate stick in this. So one stick is ready. It will be like this. I'm doing the other one also. So the biscuit pops are ready. Now you can have them. Thank you, Nana. It looks yummy. Now you can have them. Thank you.